Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how can you set a DHCP server on a client-server based architecture. We are going to set the DHCP client to obtain IP address from the server through a gigabit interface. So let's set the lab. We're going to establish our topology, pick your routers. Let's cable them. Here we're going to pick the serial, connect to gigabit 0 and fast Ethernet 0. So after that, enter into this router and set the DHCP pool. Go to CLI, say no, enter, then enable command, config terminal. After that, we are going to enter the interface and set it IP address. So interface first Ethernet 0/0. We're going to give IP address of 10.1.1.1 with the mask of 255.255.255.0. Then initially no shut will bring the interface up. Tell it no shut. After that, we exit and set up the DHCP pool. So IP DHCP pool here. The pool name, give it pool number 1. Then let's assign the network from which the clients are able to acquire IP addresses. So network of 10.0, 10.1.1.0, the mask of 255.255.255.0. Then we are going to set the default gateway. So default router gateway here will be 10.1.1.1. Also, we can set the DNS server. DNS server here we can use the same address 10.1.1.1. Then give the domain name. So the domain name here we'll use acal.com. After that, exit. Then now we are going to configure the DHCP client here. So this router here will act as the DHCP client. DHCP client. Then this one here is the DHCP server. DHCP server, that is assigning the IP addresses to the DHCP client. So now we are going to configure the DHCP client to be able to acquire IP address from the DHCP server. So enter into your DHCP server CLI, say no, enable command, enable config terminal. Then you're going to enter into the gigabit interface and tell it to acquire the IP address from the DHCP on the DHCP server. So interface gigabit 0/0/0. Tell it IP address, obtain it from the DHCP server. DHCP IP address should obtain it from the DHCP. Then we are going to bring that interface up. So tell it no shut. So the LAN protocol is up. Then when you look at here, you can see that the DHCP address assigned the interface gigabit 0/0 assigned a DHCP address of 10.1.1.2 and the mask is 255.255.255.0. The host name is DHCP client. So meaning that this DHCP client has obtained an IP address from the DHCP server. So that's all about this lab. So thank you, and remember to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Then let's meet in our next videos.